Have you ever wondered how to improve your manufacturing business? Or maybe you have a project in mind, but you don't know how to make it happen. Or maybe your project management team is overwhelmed, but you still need to transition production or scale up your production. As a member of the production team, you're required to keep production running smoothly and rapidly while maintaining the highest level of quality. Meanwhile, a trend in the marketplace can shift customer demand, requiring tooling updates and changing over to different production requirements. These are just a few of the many challenges that face production today. The demand for higher production runs, lower cost manufacturing, and increased quality control is pushing manufacturers further today than ever before. The good news is, Black Box Engineering is here to help. We can give you a second set of eyes on your process to give you a recommendation on improvements that can be made. If you already know the project, you can use BBE to execute and keep staff focused on running the plant, while our managers and project managers and engineers can help from idea to implementation. Whether that's robotic palletizers, new line implementation, production run improvements. We have experience doing projects in over 90 manufacturing plants, working in different areas including food and beverage, automotive, medical devices, pharmaceutical and nutraceutical, electronics, electronic manufacturing, and raw goods. Our automation consultants are ready to help. So join the winning team today and call Black Box Engineering.